BGSU kind of had this unique sense of a community that I wasn't finding at a lot of other schools, and I kind of just immediately felt like I had found my home here, which was a variety of different reasons that kind of brought that on, but the staff here at BGSU, the general kind of campus feel of it, everything just felt very comfortable and safe, and I really appreciated that.
Oh goodness. So when I found my community of friends, I knew that I couldn't find that community anywhere else. And the similar interests that we have, it's quite interesting how we have similar yet different dreams, but we're going along a career path that isn't so common.
I learned I made the best decision because of when I saw on their page that they were really big on diversity and belonging, as well as I saw the LGBT communities, as well as the social justice communities and the communities for other students that are of color and or LGBT like me. It really sealed the deal with me because not many colleges have those options, as well as all gender housing. So I thought that was really inclusive and I wanted to be a part of that.
So the reason I chose BGSU is I'm actually from Talmadge, which is by Akron and Kent State. And I have a lot of siblings. My older brother went to Akron, and my twin brother and I were pretty sure we were both going to go to Kent State until a teacher of mine at my high school was like, go check out another school, check out Bowling Green, that's where I'm from, I'm sure you'll love it. So me and my twin brother went on a tour here in the fall, and I just remember being on old campus and being like, wow, this is awesome, this is so cool. And I already was a Browns fan, so I loved brown and orange, so it made it easier, and I kind of looked over at my twin and I was like, I called dibs, and then I've been here since.
I think I realized I made the right decision to come to BGSU when I was able to get involved as soon as I got on campus. It really became my home for me, getting involved with the Latino Student Union. It really just provided me that safe space and that really home away from home. And that's when I knew, getting involved with that in my first semester, I knew I was in the place that I was supposed to be for college.
I think something I would tell students that are seniors coming into college that might be a little bit afraid coming in, I would say, first of all, breathe. You're probably not breathing right now, breathe. It'll be okay. Good memories are great, but they're good memories. So they're in the past and they'll always be there. They'll always be there for you when you look back. But if you cherish those memories, you should be excited to make new ones. And I think Bowling Green is a great place to it. College is an incredible opportunity to make new memories. So don't let the good memories of your past stop you from making new ones. Take those risks, try new things, see how many memories you can get into your basket of memories.
My academic involvement is both in my major but also in the Honors College. So in the Honors College, I recently completed my honors project, so that kind of spanned a couple of years, but that was specifically over teaching abstract thinking in literature to students on the autism spectrum. And then I've also taken several different honors classes here at BGSU, and obviously within my major, I've taken several different classes within that as well.
All of my classes that I have in person are optional in-person Zoom classes. So you can take your class on Zoom if you don't feel comfortable going to class in person. And I think that is really helpful because I've had classmates that have come in contact with people that have had COVID, and because of that, they're able to easily self-isolate at home and still be part of our class, even if they're not there physically in person. So in that way, everyone is staying safe, and in a way, class also feels a bit more intimate in that sense because there are less people in the classroom and less people on the Zoom. So the professor can interact with students a bit more individually, and that's something that I really enjoy about the way that courses are being conducted in this time.
So I know coming to college is a very big step in your life, and I know there's a lot of nerves and anxiety that come with that. But I promise you, especially here at BGSU, you can find your home, you can find that safe space. We have multiple organizations that you can look forward to getting involved in. We have 350 plus just here on main campus. Being able to find your niche and find something that you want to be involved in, it's out there for you. And if for some reason you can't find something that is out there for you, you have the opportunity to create what you want to get involved in.
I want to be known for getting involved with the social justice community and helping create change on campus. In the Class of 2024 Facebook page, at the end of all of my posts, I always type, "Let's make change together," because I think that change has so much more effect when there's more people involved from both the people of color community as well as the white community. When they come together, we can make change so much faster, so much better, and so much more efficient, because it shows that so many people are willing to get involved and help make change to make other people safe and feel belonged.
The first time, just college in general, being on campus can be overwhelming because there's like a lot going on. There's a lot of people, especially like right now with like all the masks and stuff like that. But the thing I tell people as a tour guide when they come on campus is that like BG feels like home. Being on campus feels like you're at home. It's kind of like a good sense of community, and though the first day might be overwhelming, every single day after that it just gets easier and easier, and then by the end, you're not going to want to leave.